Hey y'all, the wig that I'm using today is from Ywigs. So inside the package comes with a return exchange form as well as their return policy in case you're not satisfied with their wig, which we're going to get into in just a few minutes. This package also comes with a wig cap that's a little bit too light for my skin tone. I'll just have to add makeup to make it a little darker. Then of course it comes with the wig. Now this wig is supposed to be their fake scalp method. I debuted this on my Instagram story a couple of days ago and you guys blew up my DM wanting to get more info and asking when I'm going to post this video. So that's what I'm going to do today. This wig comes with the, like I said, the fake scalp, pre-made scalp wig. Now the fabric that they have on here looks like it's going to work pretty well. I do notice already that they put the fabric behind the hairline, which should give a very natural look so that you don't see where the hairline and where that piece of fabric starts. So it also comes with the basic wig standards, which is the elastic bands. And Ywigs also went ahead and attached a elastic band, which I definitely can appreciate because it is sewn in the proper space. A lot of companies get this wrong. I have to end up taking it off and reinstalling my own, but they did a really good job with that. Now this does come with hooks where you can make the straps tighter or looser, and you can take the straps off by simply unhooking them. So this is what the wig looks like when I put it on. Now keep in mind guys that this is what the wig looks like straight out the package. I have not done any plucking or bleaching. Keep in mind that this wig already comes with the fake scalp method, so you shouldn't need to bleach the knots on this wig unless you remove the fabric that they applied. So I'm going to go ahead and section off my baby hairs just so I can see what type of hairline I am working with. And as you can see, the hairline looks pretty good for it to be a pre-plucked wig. I have never gotten a pre-plucked wig where the hairline looked this good. Now as I am pulling all the hair back and pulling out some in the hairline, I am noticing that they did not pluck a whole lot on the sides, which I got a feeling I may have to go in and pluck on my own, but we will see. So I'm just going to continue to press out the hair and see what the hairline looks like after I get everything smooth and flattened. So now I'm going to push everything back, take a better look at the hairline, and really see if I need to make any adjustments to the hairline. And honestly guys, it doesn't look like I need to do anything to this hairline right now, but I definitely wanted you guys to see how this hairline looks. And as you can see, there's really not much density in the hairline itself. The density is really in the actual hair and not the hairline. So if you did need to go in and pluck a little bit more, you shouldn't have to pluck a whole lot because the hairline is already thin. Now the density on this wig is 150%. This is a 6-inch parting space wig, which I definitely can tell, and you guys will see a little bit later in this video. Now the length of this wig is 20 inches and the lace of this the color of this lace is light brown, which is almost transparent, but it really does work out pretty well with my skin tone. It blends in pretty well. So as you guys can see, pressing out the hair before you actually get to cutting the lace and doing all that good stuff and cutting baby hairs, you actually get to see what type of hairline you're working with before you go into, you know, the styling of the wig. So this is what the hairline looks like. Looks pretty good. I am not mad at this wig. Like, this is a nice hairline, okay? So as you saw, I did have to go in and pluck the sides just a little bit because I wasn't really liking that. So get into the 6-inch parting space, honey. Do you see all this parting space with this wig? This is a nice hairline, okay? And the simple fact that I did not have to do anything but press out the hair and I came up with this look. Okay, Ywigs, we see you. We see how you come in 2020. This company so far has definitely nailed the fake scalp method, which so many companies fail. So I'm going to add some wax to the hair and continue to give you guys scalpiana effect, because this wig is looking like my real scalp. Like, do you see this? Y'all, like, this video does this wig no justice. I'm really ready to get into the baby hairs on this hairline. So anyways, I'm going to be using some hair mousse. This is just what I prefer when it comes to laying down my baby hairs. And honestly, guys, when it comes to the baby hairs, I really just play with it, see which ways the hair is going. Sometimes I'll come up with just like edges like I did in this video instead of like actual baby hair. So I'm just going to continue to play around with the hairline, and I'll be back. Okay, so once I got my baby hairs laid the way I would like, I'm going to go in with some styling wraps or strips, and I'm going to tie that right over my hairline. This is going to help mold my baby hairs, and also with using the hair mousse, it's also going to help with making the lace stick so that I don't have to use any glue, and this can remain a glueless wig install. So now I'm going to go ahead and just press out the roots one more time, making sure I got my wig super duper flat. And then I'm going to tie it down with a scarf because I am going to go ahead and style this wig, and I don't want the wig to move. Even though I did use the hair mousse, I still don't have any other method of making sure the wig is secure. So while I'm styling the wig, I just add a headband, and that just makes sure the wig doesn't move, to make a long story short. Anyway, so I'm adding some crimps to this wig. I got this crimping iron from Sally's. I don't remember how much it was, but it gets really hot and it crimps the hell out of your hair, as you can see. So I'm going to continue to crimp my hair, and I'll be back. Okay, so as you guys can see, the styling mousse can definitely leave your hair looking a little too hard. So to fix that problem, just take like a comb or a edge brush or comb or whatever you want to use, and just gently comb out the baby hairs, and the baby hairs are going to lay the exact way that you laid them with the foaming mousse. And then of course you guys know I'm extra, so I have to add a little bit of concealer to the parting space just to emphasize that part. I just like for my parts to look like this, okay? I don't like thin parts, I just like this look. So anyways, going back on top again with the hot comb, making sure everything is smooth and flat. And this is like a beautiful wig, which makes it even more beautiful when I had to do absolutely nothing to this wig. Like, y'all, this is a wig that you definitely need to get your hands on, and I'm sure they are having a sale right now, so make sure you check the description bar below so you can get your hands on those codes and save yourself some money, because this is a wig that every wig wearer definitely needs to have in their collection. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.